In the great expanse of suburbia, where adventures lurk in the most unexpected places, our hero faces his greatest challenge yet, the Great Trash Trek. Behold the mighty Hyundai Kona N with its robust 2-liter turbocharged engine, watching our hero's epic struggle. Will the 276 horses under its hood be inspired by such valiant effort? With added body welding points and a modified strut ring structure, our Kona N is more than just a pretty face. It's a fortress, a guardian of all things precious, including trash. And so, our intrepid explorer conquers the Great Trash Trek thanks to the unwavering support of the mighty Kona N. With N Power Shift, and Grin Shift, and N-Track Sense Shift, every journey, no matter how small, becomes an epic tale. Hyundai Kona N, where every drive is an adventure, and even trash day becomes legendary.